I call this the genetically modified excuse of a Lego palm tree. It's made up of this, and this. Remember those pins holding Lego train tracks together in bundles? Yes, those pins. Initially, I put together pieces of 1x2 round plates and it looked like a spiral staircase. Also, it's fragile as f***. And then I saw these Lego train track pins and push it through 2 coinciding holes and voila! It went on until the 7th pair, but the 8 broke apart and started a new set of 7 coinciding pairs. Now I'm left with 2 sets with 7 pairs of spirals, which I could either secure with the same pins minus the end stopper, which is illegal as f***. Luckily, I have a random Lego pin lying around, which I used to secure the 2 sets of spiral tree trunks together. Now I have a tall and sturdy tree trunk like no other. Now for the palm leaves, I happen to have a ton of these that I hoarded when they magically became available at one Lego certified store in a country far away. I attached 7 and with still an ample length remaining at the open end, it attached to the top of the tree trunk. I pushed the top 3 train track pins upwards to give way to 3 more pine leaves and voila! I have a genetically modified excuse of a Lego pine tree. Clever, huh? Now how do I attach this to the base? I'm so fortunate to have a round 2x2 snap piece lying around, and by pushing the last train pin further down, it secures the tree to the hole of the snap piece. But you can do this with just any loose pieces you have lying around, like this one. Now I just had to be more creative in concealing the base. I hope you find this video useful, and if it did so, please give it a like, share it with your friends and enemies, and thanks for subscribing if you did. See you in another video.